A boy confessed he likes me and now is acting all weird and being sorry about it. Okay, we have to talk about this. We have to talk about this. Gents, ladies and gents in the chat. I was watching this dumbass dating show on Netflix called IRL, In Real Love. I think it's a Raghuram production. Raghuram from Roadies and Splitsvilla. It has Ranvijay as a host. So, right. And in that, there is this guy, the coolest guy in that show. The guy who actually knows how to talk to girls, right? Everybody else is dumb. Everybody else is cringe. There's only one guy who knows how to talk to girls. And he makes this mistake, which is very similar to the mistake that Jalsi is talking about, where he will crack a joke which is a rapport. Like, it's a risk in the risk comfort model of Art of Conversation, whoever's seen Art of Conversation, but it's a joke which is like, it's kind of off script. It's kind of challenging. It's a tease. Like, he will say something that is said to offend, but the tone is not offensive. समझ रहे हो? Like, उस type की बदतमीजी करी, but not in a बदतमीजी way. It's like a challenge. It's not necessarily an insult. It's a challenge, right? And he will say that, and as soon as he says that, and the other person's like, right, when they're उनकी आंखें फट रही हैं, he'll be like, oh no, I'm just joking. And this is what guys do when they make a solid, risky move. They don't stick with the frame. They don't stay there longer. Like you've said it, maintain it now. Stay silent. Let the other person complete their reaction. And once they are going through the fucking emotion, then be like, I'm joking. For this guy, in this case, what I'm trying to tell is that Jalsi, this guy who's told you he likes you, after he said that, maintain the frame, hold the silence, let it be. Let it be. And then when the vacuum emerges, Jalsi will have to respond in some way. Instead of saying, oh, I like you, but I'm sorry for liking you. I'm so sorry. I'm embarrassing myself. Don't. If you're cracking a joke, stick with the joke. Stay there. Hang out. It's such a simple advice. If you're challenging, if you're adding banter, if you're adding a tease, if you're asking a tough question, if you're making the other person think, if you're making them even the slightest amount of uncomfortable, if you're spiking their emotions, if you're eliciting attraction, if you're creating engagement, if you're doing any of those things that are risky, that fall in the risk comfort model of Art of Conversation, stick, relax.